Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications. On the application of iQIYI app, you will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about iQIYI app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop. Then we click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about iQIYI app. Here, if you find updates, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.